sunny day on Canaan Avenue, Kempville. Please subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Taping you some scenery today, folks. The king of Kempville folk art is Dennis Ramsay, beyond a shadow of a doubt. Canada's god of folk art is Dennis Ramsay. When in Kempville, please come by the Dennis Ramsay paintings. I live at 27 Canaan Avenue, Kempville, Apartment B, Nova Scotia, Canada. Yellow house, white trim. Come knock on the door and I'll say some folk art, fine art, or abstract art. I sell the paintings at $30 each upwards. You can call me at 902-365-5044. No jive. Buy some paintings. I do it all. Folk art, fine art, abstract art. I sell the paintings at $30 each upwards. Know what I mean? Please subscribe right now to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Always give me a thumbs up on my videos, won't you? Look at that beautiful old tree. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the big knot right in the middle. Look at it. Red house. Nice, eh? Yeah, please subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you very much. It's a nice day in Kempville, Nova Scotia, Canada. We got about another month of winter, and then the winter will be over. Jeep. When in Kempville, please drop on by, and I'll sell you some folk art or fine art. I appreciate that. I sell the paintings cheap, $30 each upwards. Not a lot of money. Please subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you very much. That old greenhouse needs a lot of work. It's run down, eh? Anyhow, subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you very much. I live in the yellow house down here at 27 Canaan Avenue, Kempville, Apartment B, Nova Scotia, Canada. I'm upstairs. This yellow house right down here, folks. Right there, you go up those wooden steps. I'm the door in on the left here. Right up these wooden steps, the door on the left. I live upstairs, right up there. I'll sell you some paintings. Help out starving folk artist Dennis Ramsay. Buy his folk art, abstract art, and fine art. Please subscribe and share right now. Give me a thumbs up on my videos, won't you? Y'all take care and have a fine day. Bye for now. Have a nice day.